Hello everyone. Today we are analyzing urban form to an online software called Giraffe. We get this software online by just typing Giraffe software. The first link that you get in is the property prototyping. That's the one we built to analyze urban form. For starters, you get started for free. Otherwise, if you have an ID, you will log into that. This software specializes in understanding an urban form and with respect to calculations and FAR and areas. So this comes with a toggling Google Earth similar interface, but with 3D extrusions of the entire city. You get to maintain or interact with the building transparency and the satellite map, and also labels, at what level opacity you want to keep the labels. And then you also can create layers when you want to add new buildings onto this on this platform. This is about how you want to view the map in 2D, 3D, and with respect to location, and you can search the location as well. And then the main part is you get to build your massing and a particular typology of the structure. Let's say if it's residential, it comes with the markers. You have to mark the building form onto a place which is open. So the residential area, let's find the empty space. Here, if we start with first, second point, and the third point leads us to creating a form. By default, it comes with certain levels and color. You get to add and remove levels according to your design, and this particular model comes under the tree layer because we didn't give anything particular name. If you go on to further adding new property details, you get to see more details that we can add for this block. Maybe floor to floor height, depth of it, the efficiency of it, efficiency in the sense how well you can utilize the block. So yeah, and also about how you can have the residential units and areas. So now we'll alter the floor to floor height with the same floor levels. So that's how it's an interactive tool when you're designing urban design in an initial stage. This is very helpful in understanding how we could strategize our planning. Towards this side are crucial tools where you have utilities and settings, a thing where on selected property you get to analyze the areas on the efficiency of the building, how, or as we have taken a residential block, it by default shows us how much studio apartments, one bedroom apartment with certain sizes, how many people can be there, and the car sizes. And so it also suggests us with the percentage distribution of the units. But everything just comes by default, but you can customize it by moving around how much of studio you want, how much of apartments. So that's what this tool is about. And you can still change the way the building looks like with the color and line type. And the next one is urban form, that you get to use that once you create your own shape, or you can even get that on an existing buildings that we see here for the context building. It can give you data about the existing building or any of the context building. Once you edit your own buildings, the area, the length, the details keeps getting updated, so you don't have to keep saving it, or by default it gets captured. In case we select this shape of half open space and then half built space, it shows us in the urban form, it shows us how it's open and the built is 42, open space is 58, and how much of the facade area is covering, how much basement you have created, and a sort of area statement it gives. and you can get the same detail for the existing context building as well. And there are other elements like analyzing the sun and shadow. Here you get to analyze the sun path on an everyday basis, and throughout the day you can run it along. So this software becomes like a go-to designing tool when you're designing something in a bigger scale. It gives you more perspective and it gives you more clarity on what it could give. So once you go to urban form, you select the existing building. Like here it shows 100% is built, there's no open space, and it gives you the exact area of the entire mass as well. Further, if you want to create or want to know more details about your block, go to and adding the typology of the block, make a shape. Let's add more levels. The minute you keep adding, the areas also keeps getting updated. It shows it talks about it says it's open space because the green space is still there. We have built this on a park, so it shows open space, but gives us the height, facade area, floor to floor facade, and there's no basement. Then when you go to solar, you can analyze it on that. You can set a particular date, time, day, and then you can animate or get the picture about how your building is facing the sun. And if you even run site sun hours, it will show you how much hours is each facade getting the direct sunlight. You see here with 100%, 2 hours it's getting, then blue part is everything that's getting on this facade. If you see the lower legend from blue to orange going, that color reflects on the building as well. If you hover over it, it shows 4 hours, 5 hours of direct sun on that facade, which also relates back to this legend as well. So that's how you can you can analyze this. This software tool helps you in analyzing your urban form. Thank you for watching.